Next question. A piece of wire resistance R is cut into 5 equal parts. This part then connected in parallel. If the equivalent resistance is the R dash, then ratio of R by R dash be equal to. And in this question, a length of wire solution. Length of wire is the given. They are divided 5 equal parts. So R is directly proportional to L, and that means length will increase, resistance will increase. Length will decrease, resistance will decrease. So in this case, this length of wire be cut in 5 equal parts according to question, and that means resistance be reduced 5 times, and that means each resistance of new wire, resistance of new length be equal to R by 5. According to this result, R is proportional to L. Length be reduced 5 times, resistance be reduced 5 times. In this question, all part of length connected in parallel which equivalent resistance are given by R dash. So in parallel combination, equivalent resistance equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 plus so on. So here results are the given 1 by R dash equal to 1 upon R by 5, because each length are equal, so that resistance of each piece B are equal and value of each piece of length equal to R by 5 plus 1 by R by 5 plus 1 by R by 5 plus 1 by R by 5 plus 1 upon R by 5. Here 1 by R dash equal to outer into inner carry 5 by R plus 5 by R plus 5 by R plus 5 by R plus 5 by R, and that 1 by R dash equal to 25 by R, the R dash equal to R upon 25. Then ratio of R by R dash equal to R upon value of R dash equal to R upon 25, which help for us the initial resistance of the single wire become R. So R by 1. Here we are solving R into 25 by R into 1. R part cancel, and the ratio of R dash by R equal to 25. This is the answer. Next question. So how you would connect 3 resistance, each of resistance 6 ohm, so that combination has a resistance of 9 ohm, and second part is 4. And that is given question 3 resistance. Solution करते हैं इसके. Given R1 equal to R2 equal to R3 equal to 6 ohm. 3 resistance, each value of the 6 ohm, R1, R2 and R3 are equal. Their value are the given 6 ohm. Question be asked, how to arrange these resistance and in which form their equivalent resistance become 9 ohm. First question. And how to arrange this resistance, their equivalent resistance become 4. So their first part we are solving how to getting the results 9 ohm. So 9 ohm who is the greater than the 6 ohm, and that means some resistance are connected in series and some are in parallel. So we connect R1 and R2 in series, but R3 is in parallel. And that means we are getting the result of the 9 ohm, so that R1 and R2 are in series in parallel and R3 in series, and that R1, R2 and R3. So equivalent of R1 and R2, 1 by RT equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 equal to 2 by 6, RT equal to 2 by 6 equal to 1 by 3, RP equal to 3. अब these 3 ohms connect to R3, 6 ohm in series combination, then equivalent of R1, R2 and R3 equal to 3 plus 6 equal to 9. That's the first solution. Second, how to combine or how to connect their equivalent resistance are the given 4 ohm. So for second question, R1 and R2 in series and R3 in parallel, and that R1 R2 and R3 in the parallel. Then equivalent resistance in the series, Rs equal to R1 plus R2 equal to 6 plus 6 equal to 12 ohm. अब here 12 ohm and 6 ohm, 12 ohm and 6 ohm in parallel. Then its result 1 by Rp equal to 1 by 12 plus 1 by 6, because the sum of R1 and R2 equal to 12 ohm and R3 also in parallel. So equivalent resistance of R1 and R2 equal to 12 ohm. So 12 and 6 ohm are so in parallel combination. Their LCM equal to 12. So 1 plus 2 equal to 3 by 12 equal to 1 by 4, and that is equivalent equal to given 4. So first question, how to arrange, we are getting the result 9 ohm, and second question, how to arrange resistance, we are getting the equivalent 4 ohm. So for 9 ohm we are connecting the R1 R2 in the parallel and R3 in the series, but for 4 ohm we are connecting R1 and R2 in the series and R3 in the parallel, which equivalent equal to 12 ohm and 6 ohm, both are in parallel combination, so that its equivalent resistance equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2, and the result equal to